Good morning, everyone. I myself, Dharamveer Singh, welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath English Medium Primary School. Students, today we are going to learn English Grammar Standard 5th, a chapter name that is Chapter 7, Adjective. Already previously we have learned that there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection. So we have already learned about the noun, pronoun, verb. Now the next one is the adjective. So let's understand that what is adjective. Adjectives are the words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. So anything that tells something more about the noun or a pronoun is called adjective. Let's look at the example. He is wearing a blue shirt. So shirt here is a noun. So how is the shirt? That is blue. So blue word, it is called an adjective because it tells us something more about the noun. Then the next one, the thirsty crow. Now the crow is the name of a bird, it is a noun. How is the crow? Thirsty. So the thirsty, it adds something to the noun. That's why this word thirsty is called adjective. So now there are 5 kinds of adjective. They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, then adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. So in this lesson we are going to learn in detail about all these 5 kinds of adjective. So already I have told you before that what is adjective? Adjective is the word that tells something more about the noun or a pronoun, and now we are going to learn in detail about the different kinds of adjective. So already I have been telling you that what is adjective? Adjective is the word that adds something to the quality of a noun or a pronoun. So there are 5 kinds of adjective. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. So let's learn in detail about the different kinds of adjective. First one, adjective of quality. So what is adjective of quality? These adjectives are used to describe the nature of the noun. It is been adding to the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Let's look at the example. The food was delicious. So how was the food? Delicious. This word delicious adds something to the quality of a noun. So the word delicious is an adjective of quality. Next one, Sheila is a beautiful woman. So how is Sheila? She is beautiful. So this word beautiful adds something to the quality of a noun. So this word delicious and the beautiful are the example of adjective of quality. Next one, adjective of quantity. Quantity means this adjective helps to show the amount of a noun or a pronoun. It has been helping us to show the amount, or it has been telling us how much it is. So these all are called adjective of quantity. Let's look at the example. Many people came to visit the fair. So how many people? Many word. It tells us the quantity, that how many people are there. So the many people. So it is the example of adjective of quantity. And the next one, I have already ate some ice cream. So how much ice cream? The word some. So it has been saying the quantity, that how much the ice cream is been eaten. So it shows the quantity. So these are the example of adjective of quantity. Our third one, adjective of number. So these adjectives are used to show the numbers of a noun or a pronoun. In the adjective of quantity, it used to show the something about. It is adjective of quantity doesn't show the number, but here the adjective of number, it has been showing us the numbers of a noun or a pronoun. So several children are playing in the garden. So how many children? Several children. Adjective of quantity and number are little bit related to each other. So the word several, it is a adjective of number. Next one, Mohan study in the class 5th. So in which class the Mohan is studying? 5th. So this is the example of adjective of number. Fourth one, demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out a particular noun or a pronoun. It has been helping us to point out the noun or a pronoun. Let's look at the example. That bat belongs to bay. So which bat? That bat. So the word they, that. Then the next one, these flowers are beautiful. Which flowers? So this flower. So the words such as these, that, those, all are the example of the demonstrative adjective. And the last one, the interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? These adjectives are used to ask question about the noun. So any of the questions are there which has been asking something about the noun, such are known as interrogative adjective. Let's look at the example. What can I do for you? So the word what, then the word whose pen is this? So the any of the thing that has been asking the question and wanted to get up the information about something, or a noun or a pronoun, they are known as interrogative adjective. So in this lesson we have learned about the adjectives, the different kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds of adjective. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective.